In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop the Gmail left-hand panel from collapsing and lock it in place permanently. If you're someone who frequently uses Gmail, you may have noticed that the left-hand panel, where your folders and labels reside, has a tendency to collapse, especially if you're working on a smaller screen. This can be quite frustrating, as it adds an extra step every time you want to access a specific folder or label. So, let's go through the steps to keep that panel static and exactly where you like it. First, open your web browser and head over to your Gmail account. Once you are logged in, you'll immediately notice the left-hand panel, which often includes options like Inbox, Sent, Drafts, and more. Now keep an eye on the small toggle icon that appears at the top of this panel. It often looks like three horizontal lines resembling a hamburger menu. Click on this icon and you should see the full panel unfold, giving you access to all your labels and folders. Now, this is where it becomes important. The trick to keep it from collapsing is all about ensuring the option to keep it open is selected. In Gmail, whenever you click this toggle, it has an auto-hide feature associated with it. But to keep the panel open permanently, you'll need to do a small customization trick. Go into the settings of your Gmail by clicking the gear icon found in the upper right corner of the screen. From there, click on Settings and ensure you are in the General tab. Scroll through the list of options until you find the section labeled Advanced. This section contains a variety of experimental features that Google offers. Pay attention to the Quick Settings bar. It is not immediately apparent, but this area holds some key tools. Here, you might find an option related to panel settings or display density, which can affect how static elements behave. Adjust these settings according to your preference to ensure the panel remains expanded whenever you are on this screen. As a precaution, make sure that you save all changes before exiting the settings menu. This will ensure that your personalized setup persists every time you log into Gmail. Now exit back to your main inbox and double-check if your changes have been appropriately applied. You should see that the left-hand panel remains as a prominent fixture on your screen, making navigation swift and seamless. With these settings saved and applied, you'll find managing your Gmail inbox just a bit easier without the distraction of an automatically collapsing panel. Remember, the key to a seamless experience often lies in these small adjustments, which tailor our digital tools to better fit our personal workflow. I hope this guide was helpful for you, and if you have any questions or other tips to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.